How do we protect the environment from pollution? In this lesson, we're going to talk about how to protect the environment using conservation, by recycling, by reducing, and how to protect plants and animals. Let's define conservation. Conservation means to prevent the wasteful use of a resource. How do we practice conservation? There are three things we can do. One is to reduce. This means to use less of something. The second thing that we can do is reuse, or use something over again. And the third thing is to recycle. And this is a process where you take a waste product and you make it into a new material. So for example, how can we save trees? Well, we can reduce the amount of paper that we use. We could also go digital. We could reuse the paper, or we could recycle where available. As a conservation scientist, we need to ask ourselves, how can we use conservation to protect plants and animals? Well, we can look up ways to protect plants, and we can look up ways to protect animals. A few examples of ways to help would be to remove trash from water and land habitats to protect the plants and animals that live there. Be mindful of how much pollution we create and reduce our use. So turning off the faucet when we're brushing our teeth and throwing our trash in the recycling bin if we can. And we can research ways to get involved and find new ways to help habitats and nature. Now it's your turn. Do one thing this week to practice conservation in your community.
Created using Powtoon.